Okie dokie. It's fucking scary as shit.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it is a little bit. It's just the toe side that fucking gets me every time.
Going the wrong way. I thought you said you had the hillside covered.
Now there's rocks just over there.
Oh, I'm not ready. That part was really nice, but I wasn't ready for you to straight line.
Neither was I. That's on the cliff.
What?
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 I don't know what you're saying. I said you get a nice video of yourself on the cliff.
Me?
I'd just like to be able to do like turn initiation and just go across the hill on my toe edge without fucking dying.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. Alright.
Better over where we were the first time. Oh, it's bumpy. Where am I going? Woo!
Best on the cliff I've ever done.
That's quite good.
Like in my entire life.